welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can make this beautiful fancy office chair. So let's get started. So over here, as you can see, I've taken these two cutouts out of cardboard and you can see the difference in the size and also the shape. So after I'm done with that, I'll take another piece of cardboard and I'll be tracing these two. Now after doing that, I'll be cutting these out, leaving a little bit sides on the edges. So once I'm done with that, as you can see the size difference, little bit big enough, and these two are almost same but little bit big as well. So once I'm done with that, now over here I've taken these two white card paper cutouts and also a little white craft wire over here, which I'll be applying on the middle. So I'll be using my hot glue gun for that. So now, as you can see, applying the craft wire will easily make this part easily bent, and also it will be very nice and easy to make. So once I'm done with that, now as you can see, I'm folding these with my fingers and it's holding its place just because of the craft wire. So once I'm done with that, I'll fold it a little bit from the end, and that will be for the seat. So now as you can see, this is how it looks. So once I'm done with that, I'll use my hot glue gun to attach these two together. So now after doing that, let's apply the backrest as well. So that I'll be applying it over here. Now after doing that, over here on the seat, I'll be making this hole, and as you can see this. So after doing that, I've taken this cardboard and also I'll use my glue and apply the white card paper on top of it so that it can get a little bit thick, and I'll get the base properly. So for that, I'm making this thick with cardboard and card paper as well. So once I'm done with that and it's nicely dry, I'll just cut out these lines. So this will be how I'll be making my base for the chair, and I'm making 5-arm base. So over here, this is the cutouts and all the things which I'll be needing. So you can take a screenshot out of it, and once I'm done with that, now I'll just use these holes and I'll just make I'm making 5-arm base. So for that, I'll be making 10 of these circles for the wheels, and this another piece of circle which is extra, so I'll make the hole in that as well. So as you have already seen the list of the things I'll be needing for this base, you can easily go according to that. And over here, I'll be applying my white paper coiling in this circle. Once I'm done with that, now I'll start cutting these circles for the wheels. And after doing that, over here, as you can see the base, I've measured it, and now I'll just make some holes over here as well, because the wheels will be attaching on the ends. So that's what you are exactly gonna do over here. And once you're done that, you can see these are all the things which I'll be now attaching to the base. So let's start. So now this paper coiling, I'll just apply one stripe of paper on top of it again to make it little thick. And once I'm done with that, as you can see, this kind of roll I'm getting. And now I'll just make a hole inside this as well. And then I'll apply this craft wire inside it. So this is a little bit tricky part, but it's really easy guys, trust me. You just have to keep on following the steps and you can make your own DIY miniature fancy chair at home. So it's not very hard, it's just little tricky, and that too only the base part. Otherwise everything else is super easy, so you can just continue watching this. And over here I've taken this craft wire and I've also taken a white bead, and then I'll be applying this with the wheel, and that will make it very nicely moving. So once I'm done with that, now I'll apply this to the one arm of the base, and then I'll just apply glue on top of it, covering that with a piece of card paper. So as you can see, this one piece is now done, completed, and you can see the wheels are completely moving in all the directions, because that's what exactly an original office chair does, right? So that's what I wanted to make it over here, and thank God I was successful in making that. After doing that, I'll take another piece of circle which also has a hole inside it, and then I'll apply all these bases to this. So once all these 5 arm base is completed, now I'll apply this circle on top of it to cover this. And once that is done, as you can see, the wheels are moving in all directions very nicely and properly. And once I'm done with that, I've taken this again white paper coiling, and it's really easy. You can just do it at your home in free time as well. And I'll be applying these 2 papers on each of the sides, leaving the middle part bare. And once I'm done with that, I'll apply this to the chair so that it can also move in different directions, and then I'll just apply this circle. So as you can see, now the chair is moving. Now once I'm done with that, the base of the chair is now ready. Now let's make the seat, and over here I've taken these 2 cutouts, the same duplicate cutouts, and I'll be applying this white foam sheet over here. And the foam sheet is little thick and it's perfect to make a comfortable easy chair. So once I'm done with that, over here for the fancy effect, I'm going for this bright red colored fabric, and it's really gorgeous guys. So once I'm done with that, I'll cover this seat with this fabric. So now as you can see, the seat and the backrest is now completed. Now for the more neat effect, I'll be applying this stripe out of the same fabric on the corners, and I'll do it for the same. And after doing that, now let's stick these seats to the base of the chair, and it's really gonna look super beautiful. I can just see it from here only. And once I'm done with that, now let's give it a more black hint. So for that, I'm using this black foam sheet stripe, and once I'm done applying that, I'll be applying the backrest as well. So guys, once I'm done with that, now I'll apply this black foam sheet stripe over here as well. And after that, let's make the side handles, and I'm going for this white card paper handles, so you can easily make it. And for that, I'm applying these on each of the sides. So once I'm done with that, now I've made this craft wire knob, which is the adjustable knob, and it's really easy. You just have to make it with craft wire and some coiling, and that's it. Now to give it a more realistic look, I'll be applying these black foam sheets on each of the handles. And then once I'm done with that, now let's continue with the fun part, which is the painting. So over here I'm painting all these white parts with black acrylic paint. So because I'm going for the fancy look, I'll be using the black and red paint. So now as you can see, it's easily bendable and movable because it has craft wire inside it and basically all those cardboards. So it's only made out of cardboard and some craft wire guys. It's really easy and yet affordable. So here was the final video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.